everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. Because I saw a request on the Facebook group that there was one lady who asked for a tutorial for this shadow box Slimline die. So I made this. I decided to make this tutorial today. So this is the die, and for these you can make it with flaps, and also there is a words greetings here. So this is the part to layer on the shadow box, and this is the main part to make the shadow box. And to make this shadow box, you also need to use this die set. So this is the basic stitch set, and the size is this number 5 frame. But you can if you don't have this set, you can also cut the size in cut stock in the size to fit as the base of this shadow box. So I have cut this out. So this is the background I cut, and then I also cut this scalloped frame, and also this is the part to make the shadow box. So to make it, you can there is so many stitching lines here, and then you need to just fold it as it shows. So you need to fold it carefully, because there are how to say this, because the width the gap from the skirting lines is very short, so you need to fold it carefully. So you can see how this works, that when you fold it like this, and this part is to become the side part, and then roll it over, and this part you need to use tape here, glue tape here, so it will stick at the bottom of this part. So in this way, it will create the three-dimensional. See here. So in this way, you can create the three-dimensional to make the shadow box. And then you just need to do the same to the rest, the three sides. And yes, now you can see my problem that. So here is the tip that you need to fold all 4 sides first and then do the sticking part. Otherwise, so you will see like me that I can't fold it very well because of this part. See? So this is my mistake, and just don't do the same like me. So the frame now is ready, and you can attach it to the base. So like this. And when you use tape to stick the back, you need to make sure that this corner will stay tight, so the frame will not loose, if I say it correct. So I just hope you understand what I say. So it's almost ready, and then I choose to attach this piece here. And then I want to add this butterfly here. So this one is ready, and if you want to put things inside, then make it as a shaker or something like that, or you want to protect the things inside the box, you can use acetate here. So put a clear acetate here, so it will like a real box. So this is how the box is made. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. So if you have any questions, please leave me comment. And also I will link everything that I used in the description box below. Oh yeah, there was another thing that is, some ladies asked me, messaged me that when is the new release ready, and the factory is producing them now, and they will be ready the next week, and I will do the projects as soon as possible. Yeah, I will have a lot of work to do next week, but I'm happy because I can craft it, and then well, I will show you as soon as I can. That is what I promised. And also I made some little more projects that let me show you a little quick. Yeah, so I made some more, and so this is the top that I made that used the memory textile with tote that we released in January. But I made it singly, just as a handbag, a tote. So I think this one is great to send happy mails. And I didn't use brass for here. I used the animal dots here. So hope you like this. And then I also made this birdhouse. So this is also a memory textile, but you can use it as a memory text or not. It's up to you. And I add some animal dots here. Also, this is the new satin that I showed in the last video, and this the word cutie also in the January release. And so here is the inside. So you can use it as a box or just leave it to make a single birdhouse shaker or not. So there are so many possibilities to work with this set. And then I also made a little pocket here. So this is the one I made, and this let me show you the die. So this is the planner pocket die set, and I use this inside pocket. So I'm thinking about making a pocket to put something inside, so you can layer it as more as you want. But I think this side is super cute, and I haven't finished it yet. So just show you some projects that I made in these days. Yeah, I can't wait for the new dies that I want to play with the new dies. But I think play with these old dies. That is really also make me happy. Yeah. So hope I'll catch you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.